Hi, this is Sam and Verbena. Today we're going to teach you how to make an infographic digital tool.
We will show you how to make a short lesson on TES Teach.
We first need to teach you how to create your infographic QR code. We have decided to call our lesson the singing wall. This is where you will be able to drop your resource. But first we need to know how to create a QR code.
Okay. You can go to the website www.qr-code-generator.com. How to make a QR code.
It is quite simple. It only takes 3 steps to make the QR code. You choose the QR code that you would really like. So basically what it says is you need to find your URL code for coding the link. For our lesson, we are going to teach our children how to count backwards from 10 to 1. We are going to use the song 10 Green Bottles as our choice of song. Select your YouTube story. Select your URL code, you copy it, return back to your QR code, and scroll down, and then you start creating your QR code right away. Click there on. In here you will paste your YouTube clip. When you are ready, you create your QR code. Automatically it will be presented to you here on the right hand side. All you need to do is download your QR code. It will tell you that your download starts automatically in a few seconds. It's as simple as just waiting around, making a cup of tea perhaps, coming back. And once that has uploaded, you will see in the bottom part of your screen that it has uploaded. It'll come to the forefront of your screen. You return then back to your TES lesson and you drop in your resource. This you can use by using your key codes on the right hand side. You will select your upload media file. Does not allow me to do such. Click on choose file. You found your file that you've downloaded. You open it up. This will then be listed on the side of your TES page. The file that you choose would be your frame 1. You choose the file, select that, highlight it, and you drag it and you drop it into your TES lesson. And so you have created a QR code for your info resource. You will now use your digital device to scan the QR code, and that would automatically link back to your YouTube clip of the 10 green bottles. Hope you've learned something new.